In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Paysafecard on iPhone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. So first, what I recommend that you try to do is go into the Apple Wallet or go into your Apple ID settings where you can manage the payment methods attributed to your account. In there, you will find the option to add a debit or credit card. First, I recommend that you try simply linking the Paysafecard to your Apple account. If this works, you don't have to do any sort of special method or the alternative method, which I'm gonna recommend later on during this video. However, the reason why I say this might or might not work is because since the Paysafecard is a prepaid card, it could not get attributed or linked to your Apple Wallet or your Apple ID. The best way to see if it works is to simply go into the Apple Wallet or go into the Apple ID payment methods and try to link it from there. You will have to include the card number, expiration date, and security code, and you are going to receive a message telling you whether or not the card was accepted. If it was properly linked to your account, you are now ready to make purchases. Simply choose to pay with Apple Pay and select the Paysafecard that you linked, or whenever you make a purchase inside of the App Store or any other Apple services, as long as you have the Paysafecard attributed to your Apple ID, it is going to appear under the payment options. However, if this did not work for you and the card was not attributed to your account, don't worry, you can follow along and try the second method. For the second method, all that you would have to do instead of linking this Paysafecard directly to your account, which you are using on the iPhone, is to purchase an iTunes card. You can find these on physical stores or even online digitally. So as long as you are able to use the Paysafecard to buy an iTunes game card or iTunes just standard gift card, you are going to be able to get the code and redeem it to make any sort of purchase inside of your iPhone. Usually this is best used for purchases inside of iTunes or the App Store. So all that you have to do is look for an Apple gift card, and it is going to work for any purchases that you make inside of your iPhone. Besides the two methods which I mentioned in this video, either using it directly on your Apple Wallet or your Apple ID, or for the second method of purchasing a gift card that you can redeem to your Apple ID, there are no other ways in which you will be able to use the Paysafecard to make purchases on an iPhone. So keep that in mind. These are the only known methods, and as long as you try them out, you will be able to somehow redeem the balance remaining on your Paysafecard to your iPhone. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Paysafecard on iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.